Hello, Julie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I've just got a very quick video showing you what I have included in this little freebie. It's just 4 pages. It goes with the Blue Christmas 2 digital kit that I've got in my Ko-fi and Etsy shops. I'll put links to that in the description box below. I'll also put a link of course to the freebie. And I developed this kit for the collaboration over at Junk Journal Fix with Sunflowers and Doors Facebook page. It's the 12 days of Christmas. There were 2 collaborators on each day, so if you haven't seen any of the videos, I'll put a link to the playlist in the description box so you can pop over and check that out. Okay, so we have, this is basically a background page. It's very pale, and well, it's lighter. It's not very pale, it's lighter so that you can write on it still. This one is a journal page, so you can fold that around like that. I would normally print this borderless, but I forgot to press that button when I did this printing. And we have 2 pages of embellishments. So this is like a standalone pocket, folds in half like that. Glue here and here, and you've got a freestanding pocket there that you can put in a pocket, or you can use it as a wraparound on your page, whatever you like. So there's 2 there, a plain one and one with one of the images on it. And here we have a side pocket, a journaling card and a smaller journaling card. So that's my little freebie for today, and as I say, pop over to my Ko-fi shop. I'll put the link down below. Check it out, help yourself, and it's free. And yeah, thank you for joining me. Okay.